Oh, hi guys. Shep from Laser Tools here. I was just checking out what's left of this Renault Zoe electric vehicle. Not much as it seems. Shall we take a look in the showroom and have a look what happened to the rest of it? So here we are guys, in the showroom with our Renault Zoe electric vehicle. We can now see the rest of the vehicle here. The floor pan is made up of your battery packs, and up front we have your power unit, a full electric motor. All of the cables that you see insulated in orange on the vehicle are the high power cables, and great care should be taken when addressing these. So before working on any electric or hybrid vehicle in the workshop, we should make the area safe. By doing this, we have two different styles of barrier and protection for the vehicle, so people can clearly see that there is electric or hybrid vehicle being worked on. One is this post system, which comes with 4 posts and 25 meters of chain. You can put it all around the vehicle, so it clearly marks out the designated area. The second one we have here is this folding concertina barrier. You could have numerous ones of these around the vehicle, marking out the designated area. Within the current climate, where social distancing should be adhered to, these products could also be used in your reception areas to mark out the 2 meter distancing. Before we start work on any electric or hybrid vehicle, we must follow manufacturer's specific instructions for shutting the vehicle down, which brings me on to our next product, this essential hybrid and electric vehicle shutdown kit. So within this kit we have vehicle signage, insulated rubber gloves, and we have the all-important padlock, which is used to lock the isolator switch so that it cannot be put into the vehicle whilst we're working on it. Then we have a timer, which is used to check against the manufacturer's specifications of the amount of time it takes to shut down the vehicle before we use the tester to check that the vehicle has gone to sleep. This tester is used to ensure there is no voltage present in the vehicle before you start working on it. This is just one product from our extensive range of electric and hybrid vehicle tooling. While I'm here, as a company we also have an electric and hybrid vehicle tool van run by our specialist, James Staveley. No mate, that's not James. He's not with us today. But if you want to get in contact with James with reference to booking the van, his details will be on the screen. So the next product we have for you today guys is this adjustable external thread chaser tool. It comes with 6 interchangeable pads covering 24 different pitches of thread. It is adjustable in diameter from around 32 to 127 millimeters. So it covers a wide range of external threads. I'll show you on this rig here how it works. So I've already selected my pad and matched the thread to my component. Level it into the thread, nip the tool up, and now from the inside of the thread we're going to chase the thread outwards, nipping it up across the damaged part as we go. So this is another great versatile tool for getting you out of trouble. The next product we've got to show you today guys is this VAG TDI injector removal tool. The kit consists of a slide hammer and 2 adapters, one for the 1.6 engine and one for the 2 litre engine. Let me show you how it works on this injector here. Bearing in mind the solenoid is already removed from this injector. This job can be done with the solenoid intact. So we select our relevant adapter from the kit, dependent on whether we've got a 2 litre or a 1.6 engine. We tighten on the screw onto there. Now the adapter, we nip that up with a spanner. The adapter is now secure onto the injector. We attach our slide hammer onto the top of here, like so. And now we can use the slide hammer for extracting the injector. This is another great time-saving tool from Laser Tools. The next product we've got to show you today, guys, is new into the Laser Tools range, and it is this sonic belt tension tool. This is used where manufacturers state when a drive belt tension must be measured in hertz. It's a fairly simple tool to operate. We just turn the tool on like so. It will come onto a screen where you can add it in your manufacturer's belt data. We press measure. We can now go to the component that we want to check, whether it be automotive or machinery. Hold the microphone 10mm away from the belt, ping the belt, and this will give us our hertz reading for the tension of the belt. The final product we've got to show you today, guys, is this T-handle torque bit driver, which comes with 3 preset torque heads, 4, 5 and 6 Newton meters of torque. This tool is used where a manufacturer of a certain product states a very low torque, for instance on the headset of this here bicycle. The manufacturer states a torque to be applied of 4 Newton meters. So we select our 4 Newton meter bit driver from the kit. Another potential use for this tool is on this golf club where we have an adjustable head, and the manufacturer states a torque setting for this of 5 Newton meters. So now we can select the 5 Newton meter torque head from the kit. Another feature of this tool is that within the handle there are 4 interchangeable bits which can be used with the torque drivers. So that is all we have time for today, guys. But we will be back out on the road soon, so if any of you would like to book any of our tech vans, please get in touch. And as always, stay connected and stay safe.